There you go. Come on, man.
You better hire Matthew real quick, because this ain't gonna fly.
This is Jacob with Veteran Pro Wash. Hope everyone's doing well on this beautiful Sunday Super Bowl morning. Super Bowl Sunday morning. Today we got a parking lot job we gotta go do. It's about, I think between 24 and 25,000 square foot of concrete. We're gonna be cleaning. We're gonna be running our 8 gallon a minute and our 5.5 gallon a minute to knock it out. We're gonna soak it down with a pretty hot mix of chemical. This job came from a Facebook ad we ran. We were able to pick it up off of a $50 Facebook ad maybe. Landed this job, which is a little over a $2,000 job, but we're on our way to meet old Kale over there now. I'll see y'all there. Good morning, sweetie.
Shut up.
No, that ain't yours. This yours.
No. What is that?
You like that? That's the new setup.
The new setup. What thing is that?
I think like a 16 to 50. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
Do you see yourself?
Yeah, I need that to go hunting.
No, you don't need this to go hunting.
I do.
We need this to go job hunting.
No, I need that to go hunting in deer stand.
Whatever. Come explain to these people what we got, because you came and looked at this job.
What we doing? A YouTube video?
Yeah, we're doing a YouTube video.
All right. Good morning,
It
YouTube.
might be a little bright. Hold up.
Oh, my bad.
Turn this down a little bit.
Good morning, YouTube. I got anything on that? No, buddy, you good.
You need to shave that damn rat off your lip is what you need to do.
You crazy.
What y'all think?
Nah.
Y'all like the rat?
Nah.
Or does it need to go?
Hey, all 2 subscribers, what do y'all think? Give us y'all's 2 input. Where's your tool bag? We gotta get the water.
It's in the truck. I'll get it.
Get to work. I'm trying to go home.
We are about to get to work. Well, you're going to get to work. So, Kale called me on the way here and asked where the water key was. And I said it was on the truck because he said it wasn't on the trailer. But it wasn't on the truck either, so we're gonna have to figure it out with a pair of channel locks or some needle nose pliers. There you go. Come on, man.
You better hire Matthew real quick, because this ain't gonna fly.
So this is what we got going on. We got to go from that gate over there, clean all that, all this, to those dumpsters over there, and then to this gate right here. So yeah, we've got some F9 bark we're going to be putting down to try to get rid of all the tire marks. That's one thing that they specified that they wanted to try to get rid of. We're gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll keep y'all updated throughout the work. Before you lay down the F9 bark, you want to go ahead and wet everything real good, especially if it's real sunny outside. And if it dries up too quick, if you just spray the F9 on a dry surface, it evaporates too fast and it doesn't really do anything. So pre-wet the surfaces, cool them off, and get it to react a little longer. chemical making it better? Working better? Alright guys, so that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. We were able to knock everything out in probably about, I guess, 4 or 5 hours with both systems running the whole time. The F9 bark did work great with one coat. Pretty much got everything. There was a few places on some of the curbs we had to go back and hit again with it. But for the most part, we were able to take care of all the tire marks with one coat of the F9. So if you have a local area where you get your products from, maybe spend the $60 to get it, to have it on the truck just in case, because if we weren't able to get the tire marks up, then the customer probably wouldn't have been too happy with us, because that was the one of the things he had mentioned the most that he had wanted to take care of. So we were able to take care of that. A $60 product made us about 2,500 bucks, so not too bad. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.